Hey guys, welcome back for another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Lenovo camera not working on your Lenovo laptop. The fix for this is easy. As you can see, I have the camera application on my laptop open and it's showing me this screen that the camera is not working. To fix this, all you need to do is go into your Lenovo Vantage app and open it as I have done here, and wait for it to load on the Lenovo app screen from the device menu at the top, and you can select display and camera. Once you've done that, click on the camera setting, and right here you can see an option called camera privacy mode. Now this mode is turned on, as you can see here, and what it does is it does not allow live feed on the camera when the setting is enabled. All you need to do is turn this off and you can close Lenovo Vantage, and here you can see the camera is back online. So that's how easy it is to fix this. Hope you found this video helpful. Do subscribe to the channel and thank you for watching.